In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause an SLA in Zendesk. If you're managing a customer service team or simply handling a few tickets, understanding how to manage your SLA or service level agreement can be a real game changer. Pausing an SLA is sometimes necessary when you're waiting on a customer to get back to you, and in Zendesk, it's a pretty straightforward process, so let's dive right in and break it down step by step, ensuring you know exactly what to do and why each step is important. First off, you'll want to open the specific ticket in Zendesk support that you need to modify. This step is crucial because you're going to be making changes that directly impact how this ticket is handled in your workflow. Once you have the ticket open, your attention should shift to the ticket sidebar, where you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Status. It's essential here to have a clear look at the available status options, as these will dictate the flow of your ticket. In Zendesk, the status can be set to New, Open, Pending, On Hold, or Solved. Each of these serves a different purpose, but for our goal of pausing the SLA, we're going to focus on the pending status. Let me explain why we select pending. When a ticket is marked as pending, it typically means you are waiting for a response or some action from the customer. This status is critical because, by design, it tells Zendesk to pause the SLA timer, alleviating you from any pressure of meeting a response time when the ball is essentially in the customer's court. This is pivotal in ensuring that your team isn't unfairly penalized for delays outside your control. Now, to select this status, simply click on the drop-down, scroll through the list of options, and choose Pending. After you've done this, the next important move is to confirm your choice. You can do this by clicking Submit as Pending. Alternatively, if you're already in the habit of using the Zendesk interface, you might prefer to use the Status drop-down located next to the Submit button. This provides a smooth, efficient way to confirm the change without disrupting your workflow too much. And that's it. With the ticket now in the pending status, the SLA will be effectively paused until you receive the necessary information or action from your customer. This small but significant adjustment can make a big difference in how you manage your support tickets, keeping everything flowing smoothly while maintaining high service standards. Remember, knowing how and when to pause an SLA ensures that you maintain control over your ticket management process, helping your team thrive without the added stress of unmet deadlines for reasons beyond your control. Thanks for joining me today, and as always, if you have any comments or further questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy ticket managing!